everyone, it's Steph, and today I'm here with a unpackaging video of some products sent to me by the company CosBond. They didn't ask me to make this video or anything, but I figured that since I got it, it would probably be a good idea if I made an unpackaging video for it. So this is how the package came in. Apparently CosBond is this new company dedicated to making adhesives, hence the name CosBond, specifically for cosplayers. So they actually gave me this really awesome printed letter that I will go ahead and read to you guys. So the letter says, "Hello Stephanie, we're so excited to introduce you to CosBond Specialty Adhesives. Because we're big admirers of your cosplay, we wanted to give you the chance to try out our entire product line and share the experience with your online community." Super into that. First, a little about us. CosBond is a line of specialty adhesives designed specifically for cosplayers. Our products deliver an unbelievably powerful hold with no mess, no fumes, and no dry time. Simply cut them to size and stick. They work with all of the common cosplay materials and even some uncommon materials. Our mission is to enhance your creative experiences and help you build more complex, detailed cosplays faster and easier, with less hassle and more fun. And if all that wasn't reason enough to use our products, CosBond is part of a non-profit organization headquartered in St. Louis. All of our products are assembled and packaged by visually impaired workers, and our profits are used to create opportunities for the legally blind in the St. Louis area. That's super awesome. I'm kind of a sucker for companies that benefit their customers as well as work towards benefiting other people, such as opportunities like this where they're partnering with charities and giving other people work opportunities. I think that's super amazing. So I'm especially excited and even more enthusiastic about working with these people. Going back to the letter, the enclosed creator kit includes 2 sheets of attach and build, 2 sheets of reinforcer in black and white, and 1 cosplay health pack, which includes our EL and LED wire manager. For more information and tutorials on how to use each of our products, please see the included product sheets and visit CosBond.com. As you try out each of our products, we would love for you to share your thoughts and experiences on social media using the hashtag CosBond. To ensure that we see your reviews and feedback, you can tag @CosBond Cosplay in your posts or message us directly at any time. We'd love to see what you can build with CosBond, and we're sure your community will too. Good luck on your next cosplay, and please enjoy your CosBond Creator Kit. If you have any questions or need any additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out through our website, Instagram, or at my email below. Thanks, Ivy. So thank you so much to Ivy for this. This is amazing and super sweet. Going into the package itself, the first thing on top is this package here, which is the Cosplay Health Pack by CosBond. So that's the front, and here's the back. So reading what it says, CosBond Instant Costume Adhesives, Cosplay Health Pack. Repair seams, damaged armor and weapons, reattach bolt heads, gears, and gems. Compact, lightweight, and convenient. Use at cons or anywhere for you cosplayers. 4 peel and stick pieces, assorted sizes, hundreds of uses. And then on the back, it says that it contains 8 sheets of 5.5 by 1/2 inch strips, 1 sheet of a 5.5 by 4.25 inch clear, same size in black, 1 5-inch EL wire strip, easily hides defects, stays flexible, powerful hold, no dry time, no messy glues, just cut and attach. That's super neat. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I looked on their website, and the Cosplay Health Pack is sort of what it sounds like. I believe it's supposed to be like a mobile health pack that you would bring with you to cons in case you have a cosplay emergency, which is super great. I've been attending conventions for a long time, and I know that having something like this definitely would have been super useful. Specifically, this incident that sticks in my head at, I think, Anime Expo 2008 when I was super young, where the buckle fell apart on one of my cosplays and I had to frantically use safety pins to get everything together on the side of the hallway, because back then we didn't have anything like we do now with like cosplay repair stations and stuff like that. So I love that in this day and age we are getting more and more items like that. When you open it up, it has this little message right here at the top. Quick and easy cosplay health pack. There's information for strap to foam repair, general foam repair on costumes, props, and weapons, seam repair, and then reattaching details. That's really cool. So these are pre-cut strips, and this is the attach and build, and then this is the reinforcer, it looks like. I think this might be the EL and LED wire manager too, so that's really cool. So that's neat that they have this little mini pack in case you have things that are falling apart at the con. It just stays in this little card here. So that's it for the Cosplay Health Pack. And then next here, these instruction sheets here for each of the things that they sent, which are similar to the ones that we saw in the Cosplay Health Pack. So they have the attachment build right here. It's super cool that they have these visual instructions. Little information here at the top. So I will go ahead and read Attach and Build. CosBond Attach and Build Instant Peel and Stick Sheets deliver a two-sided powerful hold that allows you to instantly adhere to just about any material with no mess, no fumes, and no drying time. Easy to use, Attach and Build can be cut to the size and shape of your costume pieces, and application is as simple as peel and stick. After application, can be heated to bend adhered pieces into the desired shape. Attach and Build works great on EVA foam, L200 foam, XPS foam, thermoplastics, Worbla, Sintra, cloth, wood, metals, and much more. That is awesome. So the instructions seem to be pretty simple. It's just 1. Make sure surfaces to be adhered are smooth and clean. 2. Cut the Attach and Builds to the desired shape and size. Peel off one side to release the paper. Press the exposed adhesive to the first surface, then peel off the other side. So pretty simple. And I believe this top sheet here, which is this. So you can see, I don't know if it can pick up on the video, but it's like a little shiny. It sort of reminds me of sticker paper, but it's a little bit denser. So that's really cool. I feel like these products are especially going to be super useful if you are con crunching and you need substitute. I'm not sure what build I will use these on. I know something I want to make is Fire Emblem, so I might use these in a Fire Emblem build. Okay, so next up is the Reinforcer, which I have here. Sheet for it. I will read. So the Reinforcer. CosBond Reinforcer uses the same powerful adhesives as CosBond Attach and Build, but is backed by a nearly indestructible synthetic material. Tested to 100 pounds pull strength, this strong and flexible material is perfect for use in seams, attaching straps and zippers, and other places where a tough and strong hold is required. Reinforcer is paintable and is available in black and white. So the instructions for use for straps. 1. Adhere nylon strap to surface using CosBond Attach and Pull. Make sure to adhere a length appropriate to the desired amount of hold. 2. Cut CosBond Reinforcer to a size and shape that will fully cover the adhered portion of the strap with a minimum of a ½ inch extra on all sides, including the end. 3. Peel off the release paper on Reinforcer and press exposed adhesive to over the strap and the excess to the surface. Rub firmly to ensure Reinforcer is firmly adhered to the strap and surface underneath. That's really cool that you can do that. This definitely seems like it might be an even better alternative, honestly, for reinforcing nylon strapping, because I believe the other alternative method that cosplayers had been using for reinforcing their nylon strapping was to typically score EVA foam and then apply hot glue and then put the nylon webbing on top of it and then add another layer of hot glue on top. So this sounds like a really neat alternative to that by using the Attach and Builds to attach the nylon webbing to the EVA foam rather than scoring it and then using hot glue, and then using the Reinforcer on top of it seems like it would be even better. So they sent me white and black. So this black, you can see it's pretty matte. The texture is definitely interesting. You can tell that it is some sort of synthetic material. I don't even know how to describe it because it almost has like a plasticky feel. It definitely has a fabric texture to it. The closest thing I can think of is that it reminds me of some sort of super resistant outdoor fabric. So that's really neat. And then the black one doesn't have so much of that woven texture, but it is very matte. If you look up close, it almost sort of reminds me of pleather in a way. It's really interesting. Super excited to see how this works. I definitely want to implement this in a cosplay. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm very excited at the prospect of using it as an alternative to the hot glue methods, especially with nylon webbing. So for the third sheet, this one is the ELN LED wire manager, which I did have a strip of in the cosplay health pack. This strip right here. So this ELN LED wire manager. CosBond ELN LED wire manager was specifically designed to help you adhere lights to your costume. Perfect for both EL wire or LED lighting, CosBond EL and LED wire manager are pre-cut flexible strips with the same great adhesion power as CosBond Attach and Build, but these strips also feature a tough transparent center channel that allows you to place your lights where you want them while still allowing them to be seen. The center channel is also non-stick, making it easy to run the wires through the strips without having to remove them. CosBond EL and LED wire manager is also perfect for directing and controlling the placement of wires and lighting inside your costume. It's really cool, and there's a little information blurb at the bottom for the cosplay health pack. I've never worked with EL and LED wires before, but this seems like it would be super useful. I have no basis of understanding how difficult it may be to place wires or make them hidden, but this is a great excuse to implement them in my costumes and check it out. And let me just read what they say for the cosplay health pack. CosBond Cosplay Health Pack is your perfect companion for any con or anywhere you cosplay. The kit contains an assortment of CosBond attach and build and reinforcer sheets, plus an EL and LED wire management strip to help you quickly and permanently repair your costume on the spot. Easily repair seams, damaged armor and weapons, reattach bolt heads, gears, gems, and more. Compact, lightweight, and convenient, the CosBond Cosplay Health Pack is a lifesaver on the con floor. What's really neat is that these pictures also suggest little things that you could do with it. This one seems to be repairing something that might have ripped, and then this photo in particular seems to be suggesting that it is an alternative for finishing the ends of seams of outfits, which is really interesting. Seems like there is definitely a lot of different uses for this. I am looking forward to seeing what I can do with it. Thank you so much to CosBond for sending me this creator kit. I'll have a link in the description for the website and all of the individual pieces so that you guys can check it out. I will likely be back with a follow-up review video of the actual products after I've used them in a costume, and I will be talking about it frequently on probably my Instagram, Twitter, stuff like that when I use it. Make sure to keep an eye on those if you want to hear more up-to-date things about these products. Other than that, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, as you know, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time.